These aren't just birds. They're voices from the edge of nightmares. Listen, if you dare. The last one would haunt you in sleep. Like and subscribe before the next scream finds you. Potoo Owl. Its cry sounds like the forest mourning the dead. Red-tailed hawk. A scream sharp enough to split the sky in two. Piha Bird. One call, like a warning from your worst nightmare. Bellbird rings like a church bell for something unseen. Shoebill Stork, a beat clap straight from a nightmare, and it's looking at you.